you see him, Ms. Beasley? Do you need to see him?
No, sir, I'm fine.
All right, this is cause number 3046686. Style State of Texas versus Rickie Allen. Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Beasley, do you waive arraignment and reading of the state's motion?
I do, Your Honor.
And Mr. Allen, can you read, write, and understand the English language?
Yes, sir.
You're a U.S. citizen.
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a hearing before me on the state's motion. However, by entering into the deal with the state, you're waiving that right?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand everything that you signed?
Yes, sir.
Or everything you signed with your attorney?
Yes.
You were originally placed on 5 years straight probation back in April of 2016. Since that time, the state has filed a motion to revoke your probation. Did you go over that motion with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
To the allegations in that motion, how do you plead? True or not true?
If I may,
True.
Well, it's a couple of
we're pleading true to the motion. I think it's 2 through 6 or 8 that deal with financial obligations. And also there is an allegation that we have pled true in Van Zandt County to an indecency by exposure case that happened after he was placed on probation.
Did you understand that, Mr. Allen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and those are indeed you are pleading true to, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Is there a recommendation from the state?
Yes, Your Honor. The state's recommendation is 12 months in state jail, as well as the balance on fine, court cost, and restitution that he owed.
Did you hear the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Is that your understanding of the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
You understand by accepting that offer, you're waiving your right to appeal. You'll have no right of appeal.
Yes, sir.
Anything from state?
State would ask that the court take judicial notice of the entire contents of its file.
No objection.
Court will take judicial notice.
State rests.
State, I would ask my client be allowed to testify.
Okay, Mr. Allen, would you please raise your right hand? You solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give in this case should be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Please lower your hand. Can you hear your attorney, Ms. Beasley?
Yes. Barely.
Close as you can.
Okay.
Let me try to get a little bit to her.
State your name for the record, please.
Rickie Allen.
Now, Rickie, you and I have talked about your case for quite a while now. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And initially, we had asked the state to issue a bench warrant so you could be here in the courtroom today. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And we were hoping that you would be here, but apparently, since you did a plea to prison time in Van Zandt County earlier this month, the Van Zandt Sheriff's Department would not let us come pick you up. Is that correct?
That's what I was told.
Okay. So you understand I came out to visit you yesterday, brought the plea papers, we went over everything while I was there. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
We got your fingerprint. We got your fingerprint. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So your testimony here today that you agreed yesterday and today to do your plea by Zoom and make your appearance by Zoom today, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And so are you happy with my services?
Yes, ma'am. As long as the paperwork is what we went over.
It is. So pass the witness.
No questions, Your Honor.
Rest and close.
Both sides having rested and closed, I will find the evidence sufficient to revoke your probation. I will revoke it. Sentence you to 12 months in state jail. And there's a fine of $1,989.75. There's still $340 in court costs and $140 in restitution. Is there any legal reason why a sentence should not be pronounced at this time?
No, Your Honor.
Therefore, as the order and judgment decree of this court, to be taken, I guess, by the sheriff of that county to an authorized receiving agent for the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, where you shall be confined for a period of 12 months. Your sentence shall commence today. You will get credit for any time previously served.
And I believe there may be Miss, she needs to,
You swear somebody in.
Judge, everything's gonna run concurrently, correct?
yes.
I did not, I don't know what Van Zant's going to do, but these here on this one are not stacked. I can't stack mine with Van Zant County, so,
All right.
All right.
because we are doing it here.
Mr. Allen, there's a
Yes.
form on here that you have to swear to. Do you swear to me that you signed?
Yes, yes, sir.
Can you swear that your signature on here?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. There being nothing further from the defense,
There's not, Your Honor.
state.
Nothing further. Your
All
Honor.
right, we are in recess on this case. Thank you, Mr. Allen. You're done. Do you need him for anything else?
No, Your Honor, not at all.
Thank you, Deputy. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.